Hey everyone, welcome back to Topic to Topic. Today, we're diving into a super important topic in cybersecurity: how to analyze phishing emails.
Exactly. Phishing emails are one of the most common attack methods, and knowing how to spot them can save you from a major security incident.
So, what exactly is a phishing email?
It's a fake email designed to trick you into clicking malicious links, downloading malware, or giving away sensitive information, like passwords or credit card details.
What are some common signs of a phishing email?
Great question. Look for 1. Urgent or threatening language. 2. Generic greetings like, "Dear user." 3. Unexpected attachments or links. 4. Email addresses that look legit but are slightly off. 5. Poor grammar or weird formatting.
How can I check if a link is suspicious?
Hover your mouse over the link. Don't click it, and check the real URL. If it doesn't match the company's official domain, or looks strange, it's a red flag.
What should I do if I receive a suspicious attachment?
Never open it right away. If you're unsure, scan it with antivirus software or upload it to a sandbox service like VirusTotal or Joe Sandbox for analysis.
Can the sender's address be faked?
Yes, this is called email spoofing. Attackers can make it look like it came from someone you trust. Always verify by checking the full email header or contacting the sender through another channel.
Are there tools I can use to analyze phishing emails safely?
Definitely. Some helpful tools include 1. VirusTotal, to scan URLs and attachments. 2. URLscan.io, to visualize what a link will load. 3. Hois Lookup, to check domain registration. 4. Email header analyzers, like MX Toolbox.
What's the best thing to do if I suspect a phishing attempt?
Don't reply, don't click, and don't download anything. Report it to your IT, security team or email provider, and delete it.
What should I do if I already clicked something in a phishing email?
Act quickly. 1. Disconnect from the internet. 2. Run a full antivirus scan. 3. Change your passwords immediately. 4. Contact your IT, security team.
How can companies protect their employees from phishing?
Through awareness training, email filtering systems, multi-factor authentication, and simulated phishing campaigns to test employee response.
Final tip for viewers?
Stay alert. If something feels off, trust your gut and double-check. It's better to be cautious than compromised.
That's it for today's topic. Now you know how to spot and analyze phishing emails like a pro.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others stay safe online.
And as always, we'll see you in the next episode.
Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next episode.